a big one right there. They don't get a whole lot. Now look, the cool thing is, look at their teeth. They got human teeth. Look at them things. They eat barnacles and shrimp and stuff like that. So
oh my gosh.
they use them teeth to get up against like the wreck and bite the barnacles off of them.
At Blue Creek Outdoors, we're on a mission to film a fishing trip in every state. And for this video, we're in Biloxi, Mississippi to fish for Sheepshead with Captain Chance Seymour. Now, I don't know much about Sheepshead other than the fact that they have teeth that resemble human teeth. But Mississippi in March makes for a great break from the weather in Montana. On this trip, my wife Brie and I are joined by our good friends Tucker and Kailey. You might remember Tucker from a previous fishing video on Flathead Lake, and if so, you know that we're in for a day of quick wit and sarcasm.
Fun fact about the Gulf of Mexico, it's actually part of the Atlantic Ocean. You might not believe that, but on the other side of Florida, that's the Atlantic Ocean, but it's the same body of water, so I don't really understand the difference.
And we're gonna put some live shrimp on here. It's about 30 foot deep. The bait has to be all the way on the bottom for them to bite it, and well, it's not like gonna be a real big pull at first. Like you'll feel, you gotta keep your line tight. I'll show you what that means, but feel a little like the sheepshead bite. It's a real little tap, tap, tap. They'll kind of just start pulling it, and whenever you feel them pull it, set the hook good.
Gotcha.
And then
Yeah, there you go.
oh, dang it. Hold on. That's not what we want. It's very poisonous.
Oh, are they?
Hold it right there.
What is it?
Hardhead catfish.
Oh, there.
Pull up, reel down.
Good lord, that's a big fish.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
There he is. Yeah, nice
Oh,
sheepshead.
yeah, that's nice.
That's a big one right there. They don't get a whole lot. Now look, the cool thing is, look at their teeth. They got human teeth. Look at them things. They eat barnacles and shrimp and stuff like that. So
Oh my gosh.
they use them teeth to get up against like the wreck and bite the barnacles off of them.
Sheepshead are a fish that are found in the Atlantic Ocean from Maine all the way down to Brazil. They're commonly referred to as convicts due to the black stripes that are over the top of their silver bodies.
We don't have anything like that at home, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Real. There you go.
Oh dang, that was so fast. Holy cow. Holy cow. That was immediate. Tucker, what are you doing over there?
Making sure you guys are doing it right.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That's a good one.
Tucker's got one.
Nice. Oh yeah, there you go. The other. Ooh, sorry.
There he is.
Snag them.
Got the little one.
No, keep it close to you.
So I'm gonna get my athleticism back. Okay, what's the key to success here?
Grit.
Hey, you got another one. Alright, you guys, that's embarrassing. Bree's just caught 2 and you caught none.
Kailey, we're letting Brie have a good time.
Good letter.
Kailey, do you want to do it? I'm tired of showing them up.
Yeah, everyone.
grit, though, right?
That's right, grit. That's what that comes down to, is grit, determination, a lot of effort, a lot of focus. All the good stuff.
Him and with that ring camera for all the
right?
like all the
Yeah.
It's almost instant when you drop down there.
Yeah.
Lisa. Meanwhile, back to Tucker. Yeah.
Got one, Joe? What kind of fish is that?
It's a croaker. Didn't even take your bait.
I meant to do that.
When did you start doing this?
Well, I've been doing it since I was 14. I got my captain license 6 years ago. I've been having my own company for 5 years. My dad's been doing it for 24 years, so I started working with him.
Chance had us with a cooler full of sheepshead in no time. In fact, it happened so fast that he asked us if we wanted to switch locations and fish for white trout. None of us had seen one before, let alone caught one, so we were excited to switch
What's
it
the
up.
target now?
Probably white trout, and you might catch sheepshead.
White trout are the smallest species of sea trout, with 10 inches being about as large as they get, and they are excellent to eat.
Oh, there you go.
Sand trout.
Sand trout, huh?
Almost what we're looking for.
Sand trout. How much bigger do you get than that?
Not much bigger.
That's about full grown?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's just a little bait fish.
There's a white trout.
It's a white trout.
Dang.
Medium size.
He's pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty.
They make a, listen, put your ear up to it.
Oh,
You hear that?
yeah.
Oh yeah, that is pretty.
It's like a little grunt noise.
I don't know what I got. Let's see here.
Catfish.
Ah, dang it. What part of him exactly is poisonous?
Them 3 fins. Like,
Oh, okay.
This one,
Yeah.
that one.
Gotcha, okay.
Yeah, it's like, it's not, it looks like a fin, but there's actually a barb right there.
Huh.
Like that top part.
Yeah, you don't want nothing to do with it.
Look at that.
They fishing then too? No?
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, they fishing?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
That was sweet. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm not sure here.
White trout.
Yeah.
You said them are good eating?
Yeah, they're so good to fry.
Oh, geez. There we go.
I'm so sick of
There you go. Bree's just laying it. That's awesome. There we go. This one feels a little bigger. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh man,
I think Kailey like them catfish.
I guess.
That is a big white trout. Oh my gosh, you see that? It's gotta be the biggest white trout in all of the Gulf of Mexico.
Besides the trout, we were able to encounter another species that afternoon. One that I never guessed I would be holding in my hands that day.
It doesn't hurt him to pick him up or anything? Huh?
That is incredible.
Wow, that's so cool.
That is crazy.
That's so cool.
I feel like
You can reach your hands
It feels like jelly.
What's that?
up the live well right there.
I gotcha.
that's nuts. So they just filter out the water, huh? Just let him go right through. You good, Tucker?
Need a hand?
No. Oh! Kailey, there you go. Kailey, tell us how you feel.
Fantastic. I caught 20 sheepshead, 1 trout.
Everybody got trout?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Thank you.
A spring day on the Gulf of Mexico, catching 6 different species, seeing the dolphins and watching the pelicans fish with their dive bomb technique, and the company of friends made this day what fishing is all about. And even though Mississippi is now checked off of our list, I'm already looking forward to being back with Captain Chance and Mississippi Gulf Coast fishing charters to chase new species and enjoy the warm weather of the South.